I just cannot believe this. It's distorted so bad in the sun. I had this cover over top of it too. Oh my goodness, I've got something under it trying to push it back. Hopefully it does. I can't believe it. So with Mad Mike Summer Bash only about 10 days away at this point, I try my best to try and straighten this back windscreen back out, but a lot more of the body is warped and distorted as well. I do get a lot of it to come back into position, but it still would need a lot of bog and work to get it to be correct. Peyton Machines, on the other hand, who is building an RX7 as well, is actually flying through his build. He's got a Sachs rotary in his one, and he's going to make it to the event. He's doing really good. Check out his channel. But he wants some drift sleeves, and I have a piece of pipe that he can use. Well, my dad does, lying in the backyard here. I just need to dig it out. That worked. I got through it in one cut. The camera shut off for some reason. Back to working on the body again. The whole body at this stage is a bit of a banana, and I'm trying to pull the whole thing back into shape, but it's not working so good. I'm going to sound pretty whingy in this whole video, but bear with me. It'll all come right in the end. I think I need to cut this back windscreen right out. Thing's a mess. Got some of this really lightweight steel pipe, steel tube here. And I'm thinking of running them inside the frame like this, just because this thing needs a bit of extra strength. Any kind of heat for a prolonged time just distorts the body, and that's what's happened here. So I need a little bit of a frame inside. I wish I'd done this at the start, but really with my shoulder still healing, I wasn't able to. So let's tack this together. Well, now we've gone from distorting in the sun to rain. Just got nowhere to really do this project. It's just a constant battle with the weather. I mean, this shed here is not bad, but I mean, look at the leaks in here. Trying to put this car now into this room here. This is the only sort of room I've got that's somewhat dry. Just a pain to get this car in and out every time. Need somebody to help me lift. Trying to get this car in here. I can't lift much because my shoulder's still recovering from surgery. I'm not really supposed to be lifting anything heavy. Got the body in, but let's try this technique. Easy. Now it's time to make a bit of a sun block. One good thing though is I got another ESP32 with the aerial on it, and I've got it all wired now, and it's on a little dev board thing. So I can wire that, and I'm thinking I might put it there, a little aerial sticking out around here somewhere. I think that'd be pretty good. But I need it to be able to slide through the body. So I did print another piece of back window here. To fix what's broken, but oh man. Everywhere I look, the body is so bad. It looked so good when I first printed it, and now it's just an absolute mess. There's not a single nice part left on it now. So I'm not going to make it to Mad Mike Summer Bash. This car is this body is too messed up. Also, my shoulder's not really up to it yet. There's a lot of unloading and loading and moving stuff around, which I can't really lift well yet. Got to wait another few weeks. And I think I just need to start again, reprint this whole body. Mechanically, everything's great. Like the car's been the go-kart part has actually been a really cool project. The electronics and that, the steering, the RC works really good. But this body, oh, it's been an absolute nightmare. Mostly my fault. I needed to get into some sort of better work environment really. So I'm going to go through, print the whole thing a bit thicker, less fiberglass next time, just maybe one layer on the outside, a quick skim of bog, be way better. So a lot of computer drawing coming up, and then probably after that another 2 weeks of printing, so you're not going to see this project for a little while. But while that's happening, I can do some of the other pieces on the body, but I've got some other projects I want to do anyway. Alright, thanks for watching guys, I'll see you in the next one.